Good morning. How are you all? It's been quite some time, right? We are all meeting through this video. We all have been meeting in person and we all had a good time. Now it's time for us again to meet through these videos. Are you all ready? Okay, now we'll get into the English lesson for today. Before getting into today's lesson, we'll just go ahead and revise the sounds of these letters that we saw all these days. Are you all ready? And tell along with me, okay? I know you all now mastered these sounds. Yes, you all have mastered the sounds by now, and I know you have all started reading also. That's very nice to see. Okay, we'll just have a revision of it. Okay, shall we go ahead and revise the sounds for the benefit of Kehan? हम ये sounds एक और बार revise करेंगे, दोबारा देखेंगे, ठीक है? Okay, shall we start? Okay, then what is this? I'm able to hear some wonderful answers. J, very good. This is J. J as in jam, jug, jar, jail, jacket, jelly beans. Jessica's favorite jelly beans. Jessica, very good. Then you have quack. Duck says quack quack. Then you have quail, quiet, quick, quarter. I hope you all remember it very well. Then you have b as in violet, violin, veterinary doctor. Hope you all remember. That is very good. Then you have w as in water, whale, window. Very good, very good, very good. Then you have, what is this? Very good. Can you now tell me the words that you remember when you say x, that comes to your mind? Unga mind la sollumbodhu enna words varudhu? Kehan batao, ये sound में कौन सा words आपको याद आता है? What names you remember? Very good. 6. Very good. Then you have box. Wonderful. What else you think of? 6. Okay, box. Then fox. Very good. You have wax. Very good. So you all gave me wonderful answers. Very good. Clap for yourselves. Then yeah. Now also tell me what words you remember when you say yeah. We all saw those pictures, right? That was there in the pink file. You all remember it? Yes. Jessica used to call it as pink file. Yeah, Jessica. Tell me, what words you you remember when you say yeah? Yellow. Very good. Then yawn. Then yacht. Very good. You have york. Very good. Yesterday. Yes. When I say yes, yesterday. Very good. So you all able to remember it. Then you have z. What is this sound? Tell me. I think you're trying to tell something. Z. Yes, very good. Z. What words you remember when you say z? Think. Zebra crossing. Very good. Then you have zebra. Very good. Then zoo. Really nice. And what about the lines? I'm giving you all a clue. Zigzag lines. Very good. Zigzag. Very good. Then you have one more thing too. You have forgotten one more word. एक और word भूल गया आप. Okay. What is that? Zip. Very good. Zip. Zero. Yes. Miss Juno says it. Zero. Very good. So you all remember it, right? We'll just revise it once more. J. Next, w. You have v. Then you have w. X. Y. Z. I'm going to ask you now. Okay, now tell me, what sound is this? Think. What sound is this? Very good. It's j. Then, what is this? What word is this? Qua. Correct. Qua. Then, What word is this? What sound is this? Very good. You have? What is this? Very good. What sound you hear when you say this letter? Very good. What about this one? Think and tell me. Yeah. Very good. You have Z. Very good. So you all remember all these things, right? That is really wonderful to know. Now, I'll write some words in the board, okay? I want you to help me out in writing it fully. Okay? நீங்கள் எனக்கு அந்த லெட்டர்ஸில் அது எப்படி ஃபுல்லாக எழுதணும் நான் ஒரு வேர்ட் சொல்கிறேன் அது எனக்கு நீங்கள் ஹெல்ப் பண்ண போகிறீங்க இப்போ ஓகே கம் லெட்ஸ் கோ ஓகே நவ் I have written a letter here okay we are going to try writing the spelling of fan. What is it? Fan. The one you see on the ceiling, right? Yes, fan. Now when I say fan, what is this? F is already here. बाकी अन्ना वरुम और क्या लिखना है मेरे को? What else you want me to write? Fan. When I say fan, what is the next sound that you hear? A. Very good. You're able to hear the sound of A? Shall we write A? Okay. Fan. Very good. So now I have written fan here. Shall we check it? Fan. Okay, now we'll move on to the next word, okay? I'm going to write, I want you to help me in writing the word hat. The one we wear on our head, right? Hat. Okay? I have written the beginning sound. Modal sound. It's H. Okay? H. Now, help me in completing. When I say hat. When I say hat, what other sound you hear? A. Kekada? Very good. So, hat. Ending sound enna kekkudu? T. Very good. So we have now written the spelling of hat also. Hat. Very good. Now shall we move on to the next word? Okay. Next word also starts with H. What is the word? Any guesses? I'll tell you. It's hen. When I say hen. I have already written apra enna kekkudu satham A. Very good. Shall we write A? Very good. Hen. Very good. Now we'll move on to the next word. Okay, are you all ready? I'll tell you the next word. The next word starts with L. I have already written L here. L. Are you all able to see clearly? L. Leg. Leg. The word is leg. L is already written here. அடுத்த சத்தம் என்ன கேக்குது உங்களுக்கு? Any guesses? Guess இல்ல கண்டே பிடிக்கலாம். Leg. A. Very good. A. G. Very good. G is the ending sound. So leg. Very good. Now we'll move on to the next word. What is this? I am going to write sit. When I say sit, what sound you hear? After s I have already written sit. E. Very good. So you are hearing the sound E. E sound ko hum sunte hain na idhar E. Then what is the ending sound? I say sit. When I say sit, sit. Very good. it, sit. Clear? Okay, then we'll move on to the next word. Okay, we are going to write the word bin. Bin. Okay, dustbin, like the dustbin. Yes, bin. Okay, I have already written the word, the letter B here. The word that has a sound B, letter that has a sound B. B, B. Okay, so I have written B. Now help me in completing it. Bin. B-in. Bin. Bin. What sound you hear? I. Very good. So, B-I. When you say bin, what is the ending sound? Endha sathatla mudiyudu. Very good. So, B-I. Bin. 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 Very good. Then, we are going to try writing the word dog. Dog. Dog சொல்லும்போது starting sound என்ன கேக்குது? Beginning sound D. நான் அதை எழுதிடுறேன். I am going to write it. Okay? D. I have written D. I have written D. I want to write dog. 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 When I say dog, what other sound I hear? Ah. Very good. So I am going to write ah. Dog. What is the ending sound? G. Very good. So dog. 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 Clear? We'll move on to the next word. I am going to write top. Top. Pambaram irukku illaya? Top. Suttume kizha. Lattu, correct. Top. For the benefit of Kehan, lattu kelte hai na hum. That is called as top in English. Top. When I say top, the beginning sound is T. Okay? Top sollumodhu T kekudhu. Sunte hai na to? Top mein T sunta hai na to? Okay. Top. 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 What sound? What is the next sound that you hear? Ah. Very good. So you have top. What is the ending sound? अंत में क्या सुनता है तो? कौन सा sound सुनता है तो? Top. P. P. Very good. So you have top. 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 Very good. We'll move on to one more last word that for today. Okay? I'm going to write. We are going to try writing the word tub. The bathtub you have a bathtub. नहाने के समय हम bathtub में नहाते हैं ना? While having our bath, luxurious bath. ஜாலியாக குளிக்கணும்னா நம்ம வந்து பாத் டப்பில் குளிப்போம் இல்லையா? டப். அந்த டப் தான் we are going to write. I say tub. What is the beginning sound? I'll help you with it. Tub. Beginning sound is tub. T கேக்குது இல்லையா? So I have written it as tub. T. Then what sound you hear? Tub. Tub. Very good. So you are able to hear the sound? Then I say tub. B. Tub. B. Very good. So it is tub. 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 Clear? Today we saw fan, hat, hen, leg, sit, bin, dog, top, and tub. Okay? Next we are going to see the capital letters and small letters. Hope you remember, we saw it in a board, right? Blue and green color la irukume oru board. Every day nama vande every week nama revise pannittu irundhom illaya? We'll go ahead and see it again. You all remember this? Okay, now we are going to revise it. हम revise करने वाला हैं इसको. Revise करेंगे ना? Shall we go ahead and revise it? Okay, what is this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. One more time we'll go through. Okay? We'll revise it. What is this? This is A. A, we call it as A has a name. I told you, no, A is just the sound. The name is A. B, B, K, C, D, D, E, E, F, G, G, H, I, I. बोथ ऑफ देम साउंड द सेम लिया रेंडु पेर को ओरे साउंड दा दोनों के एक ही साउंड है क्या है वो आ दिस इज कैपिटल आ दिस इज स्मॉल आ दे बोथ हैव अ नेम टुगेदर इन दोनों के एक ही नाम है द नेम ऑफ इट इज ए द नेम ऑफ देम इज ए सेम लाइक दिस फॉर बी ऑल्सो ब बोथ हैव सेम साउंड ब दिस इज कैपिटल दिस इज स्मॉल देयर नेम इज बी C, D, E. Both of them have the same sound, but the name is F. Their name is F. This is capital F, this is small letter F. Okay, F. Then G, nothing but the sound is G, but their name is G. Sound is H. Their name is H. Sound is A. Their name is I. E. Sorry. E. E as in India. Yes. E. And their name is I. Okay. I. Go to page number 16 in your worksheet in page number 16 and you will have this exercise to do. What is this? Okay. Now you will have to trace the alphabet and circle the picture. Okay, what is this? Very good. You have to trace it and you will have to circle the picture that has sound in it. That starts with, that begins with W. What is this? It's a lamp. You don't hear the sound W. A lamp hai, isme W dhwani nahi sunta hai. So what you will do? What picture is this? Go to the next picture. What picture is this? It's a picture of a whale. Very good. When I say whale, are you able to hear the sound W? Yes, very good. So you will circle this picture and you will don't forget to trace W. Do for the rest of these pictures. Okay? Do the same for the rest of these pictures. I'll just tell you the names of these pictures. Go ahead and circle the correct picture that starts with the sound of this alphabet, with this sound. Okay? Xylophone, pig, lion, yo-yo, airplane, zip. Now go ahead and circle the correct picture that begins with these sounds. Now this exercise is what we did on the board today. You will have to identify this picture. Idenna picture nu kandupidichu you will have to fill in the missing alphabet, missing sound. என்ன sound missing இருக்கோ அதை நீங்க பண்ணணும். I'll just tell you the names. We did it on the board, right? Fan, hat, hen, leg, sit, bin, dog, top, tub. Okay, நம்ம boardல பண்ணதை revise பண்ணி try filling it up. Okay, fine. Open your homework notebook and go to the page number that has the date 30/03/2021, which has the exercise to trace capital letter and small letter. We saw it, we revised it just now, right? This page has the exercise to trace the capital letter and the small letter. Come to this page. This page has the exercise to match it. Match the capital letter with the small letter. Capital letter and small letter ko match karna hai hum. Okay, I'll do the first one for you. What is this? This is A. Very good. Now go ahead and look out for the small letter A. Stop. Just draw a line. Clear? एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो, मिला दो इसे. कैपिटल लेटर एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स को ढूंढ के मिलना है. कैपिटल लेटर इधर हैं, उनके मैचिंग स्मॉल लेटर्स को इधर ढूंढ के लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, क्लियर? फाइन देन, go ahead and do this. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye.